1 minute skate park guide, Yamada Park, Truganina. One minute skate park guide. Your mama's so big that she... No, actually not allowed to do your mama jokes anymore. 1 minute skate park guide, Yamada Park or something like that. Truganina. So this park is just all coping boxes, which is amazing because usually they just make ledges, but they've done it with coping boxes here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coping boxes here. And there's a couple of them that are actual ramps, and they turn into a coping box at part, and they've just got all these different angles, so they're just amazing. And they're different heights as well for beginners, and they get a little bit more experted and a little bit more steeper for experts. So if you're young and you want to try learning how to do flips, we used to always do flips onto the grass, so there's a bit of a quarter here where you can just jump up and practice doing flips. I probably won't do one though. Yeah, but they're a lot of fun. The concrete's a little bit grippy at the moment because it's a new park, but a little bit of wax can fix that. And
it's so low.
Yeah, the coping slide's nice. They've all got curves on them, little ramps bits so you can get air, and you can try like some technical stuff here, which is a lot of fun. Great little skate park, new one, and it's just hidden in a little pocket in Truganina near Tarneet skate park. So if you're going to Tarneet, you could sneak down here and have a little session on these boxes. I give this skate park 3 VBs out of the 6-pack.